Students, I welcome all of you to my educational YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar tense. So students, tense is used to denote the time of an action. It has three main forms. They are number 1, the present tense, number 2, the past tense, number 3, the future tense. Again, each one has 4 forms. They are as follows. Number 1, present tense. A subnumber, simple present. B subnumber, present continuous. C subnumber, present perfect. D subnumber, present perfect continuous. Next, number 2, past tense. E subnumber, simple past. F subnumber, past continuous. G subnumber, past perfect. H subnumber, past perfect continuous. Next, number 3, future tense. I subnumber, simple future. J subnumber, future continuous. K subnumber, future perfect. L subnumber, future perfect continuous. Next, students, you must learn the list of verbs or verb forms. Each verb has 3 forms: present form, past form, and past participle form, or first form, second form, third form. In the next page, I am giving one verb to write 12 tenses, 12 tense forms. The verb to go means go verb. Number A, I go to school. Subject I, go, verb, main verb. To school, here school is the object. Number B, I am going to school. Subject I, be verb am. Be verb in present tense, three forms is, am, are. So here I am going to school. Subject I, be verb am, verb go. Next ing plus, then object. Next, number C, I have gone to school. Subject I, have / has. Here has is given, have verb, have is given, sorry. Next, main verb, no, main verb go, past participle of main verb, gone. Next, object to school. Next, number D, I have been going to school. Subject I. Next, have / has been plus verb plus ing plus object to school. Next, E, I went to school. Subject I plus verb past tense, go verb past tense went. Next, to school is the object. Next, number F, I was going to school. I is the subject. Was is the past tense of verb be. Next, verb go. Next, ing. Next, object to school. Next, number G, I had gone to school. Subject I. Next, I had. Next, verb past participle or third form, gone, go, went, gone. To school, object. Next, number H, I had been going to school. Subject I. Had plus been, had been, plus main verb go, plus ing, going, plus object to school. Next, I number, I shall go to school. Subject I, shall / will, shall or will, plus verb go plus object to school. Next J number, I shall be going to school. I is the subject. Shall or will. Next B. Next verb. Next ing. Next object to school. Next number K. I shall have gone to school. Subject I. Shall or will plus have plus verb past participle go, went, gone plus object to school. Next number L. I shall have been going to school. Subject I. Shall or will. Next have plus next been. Next basic verb go, main verb go. Next ing. Next object. Now students, another verb to do is giving with another subject. First subject was I. This time I have given subject he. In the first sentence, he does the work. As do is the third form. As do is the third person. So after do, does is added. If it is I, then I do. If it is we, then we do. As it is he, then he does. She does. It does. So he does the work. Number B, he is doing the work. Number C, he has done the work. Number D, he has been doing the work. Number E, he did the work. Number F, he was doing the work. D-O-I-N-G, doing. Doing the work. Next, he had done the work. Next, H number, he had been doing the work. I number, he will do the work. J number, he will be doing the work. K number, he will have done the work. L number, he will have been doing the work. So students, you please practice some more verbs with different subjects. Thank you. In the next class, I will give the uses of different tenses step by step. Thank you. Students, please subscribe my channel. If not subscribe, then subscribe first, then like my videos and also comment my videos. Thank you very much.